So we're back. This is a Dell motherboard that was brought in by an engineer. Didn't seem to power up and plugged in through the jack. So realized there is a bad. Realized there's a faulty power IC. So we have to replace it. It's got burnt and we have to replace it from another Dell scrap that has similar power IC. So we're replacing it with the one from the scrap. You see, that's how the power IC looks like. So now we'll place it accordingly so the legs will fit in properly. So as it is well positioned and well placed, we hit and solder back. So finally we check if this one would work, since we already removed the bad one and I'm sure there is no other faulty component on the system, so I have to just check properly. So plug our charger in the jack. So here is it. The power light comes up, so the system is okay.